Hello student, today we are going to discuss gamma functions. Gamma functions of L can be defined as gamma of L. This is the sign of gamma, gamma of L, and that is defined by integration 0 to infinity e की power minus of x की power L minus 1 dx. This is the value of gamma functions in integration form. And this gamma function is also known as the Euler's integral of second kind. Now we prove a formula gamma of L plus 1 is equal to gamma L. We take left hand side, gamma of L plus 1 can be written as 0 to infinity e की power minus x, put here L equal to L plus 1. So I write L plus 1 minus 1 dx. And L plus 1 minus 1, 1 to 1 cancel out, so we get 0 to infinity e की power minus x की power L dx. Now we apply the integrations of two functions. So we take the first function as x की power L and second function as e की power of minus x. So x की power L integration of e की power minus x, that is e की power minus x upon minus 1, and put the limit from 0 to infinity minus integration 0 to infinity differentiation of first function, that is L x की power L minus 1, and integration of e की power minus x, that is e की power minus x upon minus 1 dx. When we put the in this first value the x equal to infinity, the e की power minus infinity equal to 0, and when we put x equal to 0, due to this x की power L, the value is equal to 0. So for upper limit and lower limit both the value is 0. Take this minus sign h common, so minus minus plus L h common, 0 to infinity x की power L minus 1 e की power minus x dx. And this is the value of this function gamma of L. So put here gamma of L. So we prove this gamma of L plus 1 is equal to L gamma L. Now we take the other question. Prove that 0 to infinity e की power minus of kx x की power L minus 1 dx, that is equal to gamma L upon k की power L. Taking left hand side, if we compare this given question with the formula of this one, so you can see that here is e की power minus x and here is e की power minus of kx. So put kx equal to t. So put here kx equal to t, that means x equal to t upon k. We can write dx equal to dt upon k. When x equal to 0, t is equal to 0. When x equal to infinity, t equal to infinity. Put all the value in the given integration left hand side. So that t equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus of t, x is t upon k whole power L minus 1, and value of dx is dt upon k. Taking the 1 upon k whole as the common, so we get k की power L h common, the t equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus of t की power L minus 1 dt. And this is the value of gamma of L. So put this gamma L upon k की power L. So this is the formula. This we will use as a formula. This is the proof of this formula. Now the next one is gamma 1 by 2 equal to root pi. We will prove this later on. First we use, then we will prove this one. So gamma 1 by 2 equal to root pi. If you want to find out gamma of 5 by 2, apply this formula gamma L plus 1 equal to L gamma L. 5 by 2. This is the 1 minus, right? So 5 by 2 minus 1, that is 3 by 2. So gamma 5 by 2 equal to 3 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2. Again apply the formula 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. And put the value of gamma 1 by 2, that is root pi. So we get 3 upon 4 root of pi. Right? Now we come to the next questions. Next question is gamma functions for negative value. We know, just we prove gamma L plus 1 is equal to L gamma L. We can write this formula as gamma of L is equal to gamma L plus 1 upon L, and we can see that when L tending to 0, left hand side is gamma 0 is equal to gamma 1 upon 0, that is infinite. So we can say gamma 0 not defined. Similarly, when we put here L is tending to minus 1, when we take L equal to minus 1, so gamma of minus 1 is equal to gamma 0 pole minus 1, and gamma 0 is infinity. So whole value is again infinity. So we can say gamma of minus 1 is not defined. So we can say that gamma of L is not defined for L equal to 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Now we come when L is negative but not an integer. We will again write this formula gamma L equal to gamma L plus 1 upon L, and this formula is for L is a negative number but not a negative integer. So we write this gamma L equal to gamma L plus 1 upon L. This can be written as gamma L equal to gamma of L plus 1 upon L. Apply this formula again. We can write this gamma of L plus 2 upon L plus 1. Again apply this formula, same formula. We can get this gamma of L plus 3 upon L plus 1, L plus 2, right? We will expand this one such that this numerator should be a positive number, and we should know the value of that one. So we can write generalized form as gamma of L plus 1, L plus k plus 1, and in denominator we can write L plus 1, L plus 2 and this L plus k. You can see that here if L plus 2, this is L plus 3, if L plus 1, L plus 2, if here is L plus 1. So you can say if here is L plus k, so here is L plus k plus 1. This is the value of gamma L for negative value but not an integer. If we want to find out, let us suppose we say find the value of gamma of minus 3 by 2. We will use this formula. Write this gamma of minus 3 by 2. So add 1. So we can write this gamma of minus 1 by 2, right? And this upon and the minus of 3 by 2, like this, right? Again apply this formula. We get this gamma of 1 by 2 upon minus of 3 by 2 minus of 1 by 2. And we know that gamma 1 by 2 equal to root pi, right? So we can say this is equal to 4 upon 3. This is equal to 4 upon 3 root pi. We can find out the value of gamma of minus 3 by 2. Similarly, you can find out minus gamma of minus 5 by 2, minus 7 by 2 and so on. You can find out any value of this one. Now we solve gamma of minus 5 by 2. So gamma of minus 5 by 2 can be written as gamma of minus 3 by 2 upon minus of 5 by 2. Using the formula gamma L is equal to gamma of L plus 1 upon L, right? And apply this formula again and again, we get gamma 1 by 2 upon, just add 1, gamma first write minus 5 by 2, add 1, minus 3 by 2, plus 1, that means minus 1 by 2, plus 1 means 1 by 2. So because we know the value of 1 by 2, so write in numerator gamma of 1 by 2. And the value of this one is minus 8 upon 15 root pi. So we can find out like this, any value of gamma minus 7 by 2, minus 9 by 2 and like this, we can find out any value using the formula which we proved in the previous formula, right? Now the next question is 0 to infinity x square e की power minus of x की power 4 dx. If we compare this formula with the standard formula, what is the standard formula? Standard formula is gamma L is equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus of x की power L minus 1 dx. If we compare this one with this one, we can see here that here is e की power minus of x and here is e की power minus of x की power 4. So put x की power 4 equal to t, because this create a problem x की power 4. So put this equal to t, x की power 4 equal to t. So x equal to take power whole power 1 by 4 both sides. So we get x equal to t की power 1 upon 4. So dx can be written as 1 by 4 t की power of minus 3 by 4 dt. Put all the value in this given integration, we get t equal to 0 to infinity t की power 1 upon 4 whole power 2 e की power of minus t 1 upon 4 t की power minus 3 by 4 dt. When we solve this one, t की power 1 by 4 whole power 2 with t की power minus 3 by 4. So this is t की power 2 by 4, this is minus 3 by 4, that is minus 1 by 4. So t की power minus of 1 by 4 e की power minus of t dt, right? We can write this 1 by 4 0 to infinity e की power minus t, because here L minus 1. So add here 1 and subtract 1. When we add 1, minus 1 by 4 plus 1, that is 3 by 4 minus 1. So we can say 1 by 4 gamma of 3 by 4. This is the value of this one. Now see again the second question. In this question, 0 to infinity e की power minus of x square x की power 4 dx. This, compare this with the given formula. You can see here is e की power minus x, here is e की power minus of x square. So put x की power 2 equal to t. That means x equal to t की power of half. So dx is equal to 1 by 2 t की power minus half dt. Put the value here, so we get integrations of t equal to 0 to infinity, because limit will be same as x square equal to t, x equal to 0, t equal to 0, x equal to infinity, t equal to infinity. So e की power minus x square, that is e की power of minus of t. X की power 4, what is x? X is t की power half. Write here t की power half whole power 4, and this is 1 by 2 t की power of minus half dt. This can be written as t equal to 0 to infinity, 1 by 2 taking h common, we can write this 1 by 2 here, and this is e की power minus of t, this is t की power 4 upon 2, that is 2. T की power 2 minus 1 by 2, that means 4 minus 1 3 by 2. You can write t की power of 3 by 2 dt. That is, you can write this 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 1, that means 1 by 2 gamma of 3 by 2 plus 1, that is gamma of 5 by 2, and this can be written as 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, and this is root pi. That means 3 upon 8 root pi. This is the value of this integration. So just we see here that if the value which create problem, we put that is equal to t and convert the given integration into standard form and then write the answer, right? Now we come to the next questions. Now taking the next question, x equal to 0 to 1 and cube root of x log 1 upon x dx. You can see here e की power minus x is not there, but when we take this log 1 upon x equal to t, we can convert this given integration into e की power of minus x. So put here log 1 upon x equal to t, x equal to e की power minus of t, right? So dx equal to minus of e की power minus t dt, and when x equal to 0, when we put here x equal to 0, x equal to 0 means t equal to infinity, and when we put x equal to 1, x equal to 1 means t equal to 0. So integration is, the given integration will convert as t equal to infinity to t equal to 0, and this is the cube root of x, right? Cube root of x, put x equal to e की power minus t, so e की power minus t whole power 1 by 3, and log 1 upon x is equal to t, so t की power 1 upon 3, and value of dx is equal to this minus of e की power minus t dt. And take this minus sign and just change the order of this integration, and this lower limit and upper limit, that means t equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus, this is t by 3 and this is minus t, right? So 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 3. So e की power minus of 4 by 3 t की power 1 by 3 dt. Using the formula, we just proved this earlier, the infinity x equal to 0 to infinity e की power minus of kx, x की power l minus 1 is equal dx equal to gamma l upon k की power l. Compare this given formula with this given integration. We can see here that k is equal to 4 by 3. So put here k equal to 4 by 3. And what is the value of l? So l minus 1 is 1 by 3. L minus 1 is 1 by 3. So we can say l equal to 4 by 3. So using this formula gamma L, because L is 4 by 3, so gamma of 4 by 3 upon k की power L. What is k? K is 4 by 3 whole power 4 by 3. This is the answer. I will take other question. X equal to 0 to 1, x की power m log x की power n dx. we want to convert this integration as 0 to infinity e की power minus of t की power l minus 1 dt. So put this log x equal to minus t such that this x can be converted as e की power minus of t. So log x equal to minus t, x equal to e की power minus of t. So this integration is t equal to infinity to 0, and this x means e की power minus t whole power m, log x is minus t की power n, and value of dx is minus e की power minus t and this dt, right? Taking minus sign as the change this limit lower and upper, we say t equal to 0 to infinity, and this minus t की power n, we can write this minus 1 की power n into t की power n. So taking minus 1 की power n h common, e की power, this is m into t and this is minus t. So taking minus t h common, this is e की power 1 plus m into t, and this t की power n dt. Again apply this formula, same formula, apply this same formula. You can see here k is equal to 1 plus m. This is k. This value is k, right? And this, what is the value of L? L minus 1 equal to n. So L equal to n plus 1. Value is equal to minus 1 की power n. Gamma L means gamma n plus 1 upon k. What is the k? 1 plus m. That means 1 plus m whole power which L. L means n plus 1. So gamma n plus 1 upon 1 plus m की power n plus 1. Okay? Just do the exercise and we will meet in the next video. That is the gamma function. Thank you very much.